So for these Antler suitcases, what I love is the wheels. They're all very easy to get off, get out, as opposed to other companies. So when you open up, you see there's no tab for the zippers, so you have to go and try to find it and slide it out slowly like that. So you're going to slide it. So as you can see, there's no tab for the zippers. So we'll have to slide it out slowly. Let me put it down because otherwise it gets stuck in the thing. Okay, so once you slide it out, the wheels is there. So there's a tab. Take it out. And what I love about this is there's only one screwdriver, one screw. This. Where is my screwdriver? It's just one screw, that's it. How good is that? One screw. So, then this wheel just slide off like that. And it looks like that. Now I'll show you compared to the, so it's been delaminated compared to the replacement wheel. Look how thick it is compared to that. See, that nearly falls apart. And this is thing. And so it's just like that. And you slide it in. So and it just slide in. That's it. Then the replacement comes with 4 wheels, so I have to buy, it comes in a pair, so you've got to buy 4 of them. So yeah, put it back. And then just screw it in. So, compared to the new one and the old one, see? Okay, so let me do another one, same thing, this wheel, and the process. Oh, it's painful. It's very hard to do this with one hand. Same process, take the tab off. Ooh, hang on. Put the sticky back on. It's so much easier than a lot of the suitcase I've seen online, where it has many wheels. Once again, slide it out, pull it out, see? It has a groove, one screw only to secure the whole thing. Get a new replacement, put it in. Oh, I don't think. See here? It's not the right. Oh no, it is the right one. So, yeah, slide it up, that's it. So let me finish it all and I'll come back to when I've done it all. So once I replace these two wheels, you just zip this back up. Just be careful it doesn't get jammed. Which can be a pain in the ass. Okay, once again, it's very difficult with one hand. And this is very specific to Antler suitcases. Let me show you what else I did. Is I bought wheel covers. I'll show you next. So when you buy this, just be careful it comes with a pair so you don't put it in the wrong way around. See? This way, it's not going to go in because it's the wrong way. It should be over here. Let's open this pair. Here you go. See? So always helpful to buy. The suitcase perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just once one wheel is get delaminated, the rest will go. So on the trip, first wheel went, then second, then third, and end up all 8 of them end up like that. Massive difference. Oh, it's great. Sell it including extra screws. Not that I need it. I'll just use the original and a screwdriver. But anyway, so I bought these silicone wheel covers to cover the wheels. I don't know if it's gonna. Oh no, it's gonna run into that. I don't think that's gonna work. Let's see if it works or not. Actually, it works fine. It rolls, no problem. Yeah, very easy to put on. So I'll show you with one hand demonstration. See? If I can do one hand, you can do it too. There you go, done. Yeah, spins freely. Well, not as freely as this. But yeah, so it helps with wear and tear. That's it. That's how you change the wheels.